Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set indicator of pages on mode horizontal flipping on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings section. Go to the reading section and click to the first button, the flipping and the indicator of page. And the horizontal flipping section, you can find the first button, the indicator of page. And you can find the different option, the line, page, percentage or disable. Just select one and click to the circle icon, and that's the mode how to set your indicator. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.